The 21st National Festival of India's Prestige, jointly organized by the All India Cultural Association, Pune and UNESCO, has commenced with great grandeur in Pune. A total of 4,000 artists from 18 states across India are participating in the festival. The event will feature 1,400 performances, including Indian classical dance forms such as Bharatanatyam, Kathak, Kuchipudi, Manipuri, Kathakali, and Odissi, as well as Hindustani and Carnatic vocal music, and a variety of instrumental performances. A prize distribution ceremony to honor the participants, who will be judged on aspects such as cultural dance, music, melody, rhythm, ragas, and expressions, will be held with great enthusiasm on June 1st at 1 p.m. at the Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru Cultural Hall in Shivajinagar. From May 24th to June 1st, culture and art enthusiasts can attend the festival free of charge, daily from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Ratna Wang, the chairperson of Akhil Bharatiya Sanskritik Sangha. Akhil Bharatiya Sanskritik Sangha, official partner of UNESCO, has organized the 21st Cultural Forum of Performing Arts, wherein 4,000 artists from all over India with 1,400 performances have come. This is the showcase of all the traditional Indian classical dance, vocal, instrumental and other things. One more thing I would like to mention, that from India-Pakistan border also artists have come from Punjab, Gujarat, Haryana, and they have come with a very much difficulties because they didn't have their flights were cancelled, their trains were cancelled, but still they have come over here, and in a huge amount, in a huge number, like almost 170, 70, 80, huge number of groups have come over here. Artists from Karnataka, Assam, from everywhere, all over the world, almost from 18 states of India, artists have come over here. So we are very happy to have them over here. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Amrita. This is our class, Nataraj Dance Academy. Our teacher, our madam name is Purvi and Talwar. We have came for Bijapur. It is from 400 or 500 kilometers. We have a good experience. We learned so many things. Thank you for this opportunity.
What you did perform this day?
Ardhanareshwar performance we done here.
What is the specialty?
In that Shiva, the combination of Shiva and Parvati, the story, the marriage and the story of the Shiva and Parvati. This performance. In this group we are 9 members. We practiced from 1 month ago. Now we got a satisfied result. Thank you.
Of Nataraj Dance Academy. Today our performance was on Ardhanareshwar. It is combination of Shiva and Parvati. The goddess Shiva and the Parvati's marriage is performed on the stage. We had a lot of experience here and we get more knowledge in this Akhila Bharatiya Samskriti Sangha. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you all.
My name is Chinmay Gokhale. Today, this is my second year in ABSS performing Kathak. Last year I performed solo. This year I am performing a duet with Maithili. We learn Kathak at Ekalavya Art Forum at Sunilatai Poddar.
Performing Bharatanatyam. We are from Bagalkot, Karnataka. It was our first experience here and it was a great experience. We will come back again.
We had very good experience here. We had a great experience here. We will perform Bharatanatyam. We are from Bagalkote.
आपका नाम क्या है?
दिव्यांशी अग्रवाल.
आपने क्या परफॉर्म किया?
कथक.
कैसा लगा?
अच्छा.
किसने सिखाया था?
गुरु शिवा नायक.
Sara घूंघट पट श्याम घूंघट पट कोनी सखीर मोरी